got another party. I know, and this.
Words spill out of your mouth. You wish you were someone else. I miss you, but I know you miss your old self.
Hi guys, so we've got another party. I know. At this point, I know you guys are already tired of us and party, but that's okay. So Soso's classmates' party is today. What's her name?
Evie. Not
so
Evie.
It's Evie's birthday party today, and Soso got this invitation card. Her name is on it, Sophie. So we are going there now. The party is for 12. This is, what's the time? Get my phone. Let me see.
Yeah. Wait. I had to go.
So this is 11 minutes past 12, and yeah, the party is from 12 to 2. So we are all set now. This is outfit of the day for Soso. And we got Evie. Keep this invitation. Well, let's keep the invitation here. Who is Evie?
Evie's my best friend.
Evie is your best friend?
And Amelia too.
Okay, and Amelia too. So Evie is Soso's best friend. She has always been talking about Evie, my best friend, Evie, her. So there's this party we went for. I don't know if you guys have seen the vlog. Otto's pet party, one of our classmates as well. So I met Evie's mom. So she was like, oh, that Evie is always talking about Sophie. I told her Sophie is also talking about Evie. Like, we greeted well, we vibed well. So she was like, maybe one of these days we are going to plan like a, what is it called? A play date for the kids. That was what Evie's mom said. So today is Evie's party. So I bought Evie a lot of things. So show guys what you are gifting Evie.
We got chocolate.
So we got chocolate for Evie.
And a baby box.
This bouncing box thingy.
And
I don't know what it is. So we got Evie a card. We are going to be writing on this card now.
There's a pen. There's no
Yeah,
stick.
get the other things. What again did we buy for Evie?
SCP.
So we got this teddy thingy. I don't know what it's called. Plush farm animal, pluff, blah blah blah. It's so cute. We got this for Evie. Here's the bag. So bring the bag.
Oh, she's very cute.
And this cute bag as well.
Well, I wish this was my toy, but it's
So,
for Evie, but it's so cute.
We are going to put all these things in this bag. So the chocolate goes in. What again? This one, this bouncing ball thingy. So let me write here from Sophie. Here's the pen. Okay. From Sophie. From Sophie. Can you guys see? Then let's write something on the card. With lots of love on your 5th birthday. It's Evie's 5th birthday today, so let me just write happy birthday, Evie. Yeah?
That's
Love.
how you spell Evie's name.
Yeah. Love.
Evie's name is a long name.
Easy.
Mm-hmm.
Love
Mm-hmm.
from Sophie.
No, right, guys? This is when you go to Evie's birthday.
You're not going to come here and see, guys.
You think she'll be cute.
So I've just written something on it.
Sit down. No. Hey, guys.
So
guys.
it's 5 today. That's Evie is 5 years today. So I've just written happy birthday, Evie.
Like me.
Love from Sophie. So yeah.
I am 5
Give me some in my
too.
bag. Wait, give me the pen. Let me just write from Sophie.
And pets kiss.
From
Like this.
Sophie.
Party. You touch your cheeks up.
You.
Then you touch
Kiss,
it for
kiss.
a long
There you
time.
go.
Okay.
Dun, 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 dun.
It's his birthday party.
Alright. So we'll pop the card
just joking.
from
Inside
Sophie
the bag.
inside the bag.
And
So-
goodbye, llama. Whatever it is. Or sheep. Stop.
So here we go. So it's for Evie. You guys ready?
Yeah.
So guys, we are off now. See the invitation. We are off now. Bring my bag. So guys, we are off now. We'll talk to you guys later. Okay? Maybe when we are at the party, we'll talk to you guys. Where's my car key?
The car key is sleeping. No, time to wake up.
Let's go.
Why should I do these?
Check. Oh gosh, we look so good, yeah? Hey.
A little bit of dance.
Back in. Hi guys.
Guys, how are you doing? Are you doing great or bad?
Super parent. This guy heavy. Yes, I come down.
Go, 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 yo, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day, or the highway, and in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still.
So guys, we're about driving off now. Where is Soso?
Soso's here.
Yes, Ada.
I'm here, peekaboo.
You guys ready?
Uh-huh.
Alright guys, we'll talk to you guys later.
Bye-bye.
Something I don't do. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. Well, I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when I fly.
Hey chicks.
Hi guys.
Oh, it's nice in here. They put some plants. You going? Oh yeah, look. Ah, it's nice. Little kingdom. You want to do? Look, Mama, look. Yes, Soso. Soso, look. Did you see that slide? Did you see that big slide? Yes, your sister. Soso, So come. So come. Careful, Soso. Careful. I know it's what you like. Look at me. let's see what you've got from where.
Evie's party. It's K-pop Demon Hunters.
Is what?
It's K-pop Demon Hunters.
What did she say?
K-pop Demon Hunters.
What does it mean? Oh yeah, let's see now. Ah, is it not the same thing you got in Otto's party? What again?
We have this tin.
What is that?
I want to draw the Sonic tin in the dustbin.
Okay, that wristband thing. Oh, put it in your hand. Oh.
A book.
Let me see. Is it a book or a card?
A card.
Oh, it's actually
It's a
like
book.
Let me see. Oh, it's nice.
It's for a desert.
Oh, yeah. What's that?
A crayons.
Is
Crayons.
Is that a crayon?
Can
Oh gosh.
we see it?
Of course you can.
Crayon.
Is that all?
Yeah.
Is that
Look.
oh like a stamp? Is it? Let me see. Ah. You've had your battle. Woohoo.
This is mirror.
Alright, is that all?
Yes.
So is that all?
Yes, Mom. Hey, look. Everybody
Alright.
to turn into dragons. I'm gonna write something.
So what are those?
This is a candle. It
Oh.
says Jesus I
Love
love
you.
you.
Where did you get it?
From when we went to draw inside those little kids church.
In where?
Inside that kids drawing area.
In
Guys, I made this candle in church.
What again did you make in church?
This boy inside his house.
Gosh. Let me see the story. It said third Sunday of ordinary time. Gospel Matthew 4:12. Oh, that's nice. What again did you make? That's all. So where is your own?
Yeah, this is.
So show me your own now. She's even busy with this party.
I didn't get to finish up painting you.
Oh, you didn't get to finish up
And
your
I
own?
copied this in.
Did you? Oh gosh. Nice. You did well, okay? You did well in church.
I'm firing.
Oh, nice. Clap for yourself.
Ow.
Shake me. Good girl, you did well.
Yay.
Shake me. Good girl, you did well. Guys, this is a heated matte bed warmer, and this is the remote. It keeps the bed very warm. You can set it to 1, 2, 3, depending on how warm or how hot you want it. Once you lay it flat on the mattress, then you cover with your bed sheet as so, and you can lie on your bed, cover yourself with your blanket. It keeps really warm.
Hi guys, we have in the box our friend Jasmine's mom gave us these presents from Christmas.
So what do you have in the bag?
We have Love Hearts books.
Can I see? Oh, so lovely.
Ooh, look at this.
Oh, that's a Christmas card from Jesselyn's mom, yeah? What did it say? It says, "You are my friend turned sister. I love you. Love, Jesselyn." Aww.
We have these chocolates from Jesselyn from Christmas. He has some candies.